Colon cancer is one of the most common cancers that we encounter and one of the most deadly cancers that we encounter. After breast cancer in women and prostate cancer in men, it's actually the most common cancer that we tend to get.
In our lifetime, there's about a 6% risk of any of us getting colon cancer. That's about 1 out of 17 people.
Oftentimes, if people have cancer, there is no family history and there are no symptoms. It's one of those silent cancers, so it's really important to just come in and get a colonoscopy.
Unfortunately, 2/3 of people with colon cancer die because it's not caught early. If you catch colon cancer early, very, very curable, about 90% curable.
So that's why colon cancer screening can make such a big difference in the overall population's health and in people's lives to both detect colon cancer earlier and ideally to prevent getting colon cancer altogether. Colonoscopy particularly is quite advantageous because it actually allows us to prevent colon cancer in the first place. Every other test that we have out there is generally geared towards detecting colon cancer. In our mind as gastroenterologists, that is really less than ideal and arguably too late. We would prefer that patients never have colon cancer.
Everybody's kind of born with like a normal colon, and then what happens is you develop this polyp, this benign growth, but it's precancerous, and in time it leads to the colon cancer. And that whole process takes about 10 years, so it's a very slow process. So if we can catch people in that polyp stage, before it gets big enough where it turns into colon cancer, and we remove that, and removing polyps is painless, very safe to do, we can get people back to being normal, and so we can break that whole cycle. Removing a polyp during colonoscopy is a real safe, painless thing to do. And that is one of the beauties of colonoscopy as a screening method. So if we do find a precancerous colon polyp, we can remove it right there at the same time, no second visit, no second prep, etc.
For the general population, it's recommended to start your screening colonoscopy at age 50.
So that includes male, female, anybody over the age of 50. And the reason we pick on 50-year-olds a little bit is for a couple things. One is once you hit that magical age of 50, your chances of having a precancerous colon polyp is about 1 out of 4 at least. The other thing is that 90% of colon cancers occur in people over the age of 50.
If you have a normal colonoscopy with no precancerous polyps, you are at low risk for colon cancer. And so to have an exam every 10 years starting at age 50 up until usually around age 75 seems like a small price to pay to avoid getting colon cancer. In people with a family history of colon cancer, particularly in first-degree relatives, which includes parents, siblings, and children, screening is recommended earlier.
I think people need to realize that even if they don't have a family history of colon cancer, that it is really important to come in and get screened.
One myth is I don't have any symptoms, do I really need to do this? And again, the best time to screen is when you don't have any symptoms, before something gets so advanced that maybe we can't do a lot about it. There's this one ad that Sloan Kettering does that I've always liked, and it says on the top, these are the early warning signs of colon cancer, and below it says, you're healthy, you have no symptoms, you eat a good diet, you're 50 years of age. Gastroenterology of the Rockies compares better than the national average in terms of screening. So we know our data versus all the other groups that are involved in the country.
Generally, what studies have shown is that gastroenterologists, which is the doctor who will be doing your exam if you have a colonoscopy with us, have the highest rates of detection of adenomas and precancerous polyps and the lowest rate of complications when performing a colonoscopy.
And so you can see exactly in patients, men and women, we sort of know what the national average should be in terms of detecting those things. And then you can kind of benchmark your group against that. And we do that with each of our individual physicians, and we're well above those percentages.
Colon cancer is a very preventable cancer, so it's really great for people to come in as recommended by their primary care doctor to come in and get screened. So I think our doctors are excellent. They just provide very excellent patient care. Our staff is top-notch. We've got top-of-the-line equipment, and that really helps us to be able to detect polyps.